Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. From previous class onwards we are learning how to start a computer and how to shut down a computer. So in a computer how many parts? 4 parts. Monitor, keyboard, cabinet, mouse. Okay. So 3 parts and 4 parts. These 4 parts we have to combinedly we have to connect. Okay. Combinedly it is called as computer. Okay, first to CPU we will connect mouse, monitor and keyboard, and we will keep that main power supply, plug to the main power supply. So what are the steps to switch on a computer? To start a computer, first we have to switch on main power supply. Next one we have to switch on UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It works like a battery and it provides you some more extra power to work with your computer for more time. Okay, whenever the electricity, the power goes off. Okay, so next third one we have to switch on the CPU. Fourth we have to switch on the monitor. So anyway mouse is connected to the CPU. Okay, you can work with that mouse. Like that we have to start the computer. After starting the computer, what is displayed? The screen. What is the screen you see? That screen is called as desktop. And on the desktop small pictures are there. So those pictures are called as icons. So down one taskbar. So one bar will be there, that is called as taskbar. On taskbar we have start button. When you click on that start button, start menu will be opened. From there you can start any application. You can open notepad or you can open paint and you can draw pictures and you can write some information, all those you can. Okay. So like that we will start a computer. Now we will learn how to shut down a computer. What are the steps we have to follow to shut down a computer? So what is our lesson name? Start and shut down a computer. So start we have learned in previous class. Now we will learn about shut down a computer. Shut down a computer. So the first step we have to follow, to click on the start button. Click on start button. So when you click on start button, start menu will be opened. So in that start menu, okay, you will get that start menu, and beside that start menu you will get the shutdown button. So you have to click on this shutdown button. Click on start button. So here the start button will be there. Isn't it on the taskbar? When you click on the start button, the start menu will be open. Beside that you will get this shutdown. This shutdown button. You have to click on this shutdown button. Okay. So click on shutdown button will write here. Click on shutdown button. Okay, after clicking on this shutdown button, you will get the information. So your screen will be like this. So some buffering symbol and shutting down message you will get. Shutting down. So shutting down message you will get. So that your system is shutting down. That you can see here. Shutting down message you will get. Okay. That means your system is shutting down. So you are closing your system. Okay. What is the first step we have to follow? Click on shutdown button. Where it will be? When you click on the start button, so this is the start button. Okay, when you click on the start button, the start menu will be open. Here the start menu, this is the start menu. Start menu will be open. So beside that you will get this shutdown button. You have to click on this shutdown button. When you click on the shutdown button, the window will be like this. Shutting down message, you see this shutting down message so that you know your system is shutting down. That is the first step. Okay. Next, second step. So So when the system shuts down, that time CPU switches off automatically. So you need not to switch off the CPU, okay? So CPU switches off automatically. Now what is the second step? The CPU switches off automatically. Second is CPU switches off automatically. Okay, third one, we have to switch off the UPS. Have to switch off UPS. Okay, monitor also you have to switch off. Switch off monitor. Next fourth one is switch off UPS. Switch off UPS. So UPS, what is the full form of UPS? Uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply. So this UPS, we will connect this UPS to the desktop, not to laptops. Okay, because we are learning how to switch on and switch off the desktop system. Okay, for that desktop we will connect this UPS. For laptop you don't need this UPS. Okay, only this is connected for desktop. Okay, next fifth step is how to switch off the main power supply. So switch off, last step we have to switch off the main power supply. These 5 steps we have to follow to switch off the computer, to shut down a computer. Directly you should not switch off the main power supply. If you switch off the main power supply directly instead of shutting down or instead of following all these steps, your system may damage. Okay, so that's why you have to follow the steps and you have to switch off or shut down the system following these steps. Okay, what are the steps we have to follow? First one, you have to click on start menu. Okay, click on shutdown button. So click on shutdown button. So after clicking on the shutdown button, you will get the shutting down message. The system shuts down. That means it switches off. After system switches off, the CPU also switches off automatically. Now after that you have to switch off the monitor. Next we have to switch off the UPS. So UPS is uninterrupted power supply that is connected to the desktop only, and it works like a battery to provide some more extra power and to work with your computer for some more time when the electricity goes off, when the power switches off. Okay, so last step we have to switch off the main power supply. Never directly switch off the main power supply. Okay, your system gets damaged. Okay, so these are the steps we have to follow. So to start a computer we have learned in previous class and I revised now. And to shut down a computer, 5 steps. These 5 steps we have to follow. And all this I will show you in the system so that you can remember. Yeah, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about the steps to shut down a computer. What are the steps we have to follow to shut down a computer? In previous class we have learned how to start a computer. To switch on a computer we have learned. Now we will learn what are the steps to shut down a computer. Okay, first we have to click on this start button. See here start button is there. On that start button we have to click and this start menu will be opened. Here see this shutdown button. We have to click on this shutdown button. Okay, so after that when you click on the shutdown button you will get the shutting down. This message you will get. That screen you will see there. And on that screen you will get this shutting down message. Okay, after that, so when you click on that shutdown button, so you will get CPU switches off automatically. So when the system shut down, that time CPU switches off automatically. Next is you have to switch off the monitor. See here, switch off button, monitor power button is there. That power button you have to switch off. Fourth one, switch off UPS. Next one, you have to switch off the UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It works like a battery to provide some electricity for your computer to work some more time. When the electricity is switches off, when power goes, that time you can use this UPS, okay, as battery to provide some power, to provide some electricity to your system. This is for desktop. For laptop you don't need that. Okay, for laptop you have that power cable, no, connecting one, that is enough. We don't connect any UPS to the laptop. This is for desktop. So next one, you have to switch off the main power supply. This main power supply we have to switch off. Okay children, these are the steps to switch off a computer, to shut down a computer. What are the steps? First one, we have to click on the shutdown button. You have to click on the shutdown button. Next, second is you will get that shutting down message. Then the system will be switched off. After that, we have to switch off the CPU switches off automatically. Next, you have to switch off monitor and switch off the UPS, and we have to switch off main power supply. Okay children, hope you all understood.